what can you do with these 3 empty water bottles? Ah, I know now. Wait a minute. What's this? So this is basically the package that my mum got while ordering deliveries. So I guess I can use a part of this. Use this as part of the cardboard box. So first, to cut right here on all 3 water bottles. But we're not done yet, because you see, there's water inside. It's wet. We have to dry it. This is the cardboard piece that I just cut off. Now, what I was thinking of doing is to place these water bottles right here that I just cut also. So, right here. Now, as you can see, there is a part of the cardboard piece that is not occupied by the water bottles. So, I can just cut this out. Now, time for cutting. What I'm planning to do is to stick all 3 of these water bottles on this cardboard piece. I'm not gonna use glue. Glue is like old school. This is called double-sided tape. Now I'm gonna stick these 3 bottles together. Next, you have to stick this part of the water bottle, bottom, with the cardboard piece. Let's get started on that. How can we use this to reuse? Well, follow me and we'll find out together. Ta-da! Here it is! So you can now separate your utensils. You can also even separate and classify these stationery, or this BTS fan. Amazing. Now you can also put down labels so you know which is which. Easy.